With the second pick in the 2019 draft from TPS Turku, Kaapo Kakko.
In the Liga, there's a pretty good history of Alexander Barkov, Patrick Laine, Mikko Rantanen, and now you look at Jesperi Kotkaniemi from last year, yet this guy's numbers are as good or better than the rest of them. So if you're doing very basic analytics on recent history, you'd have to think that this guy's going to come into the NHL, have an impact right away, and maybe 3 or 4 years down the road, we're talking about him in the same breath as we're talking about Barkov, one of the best 20 players in the world. Rantanen, one of the best 20 players in the world. This guy may very well follow his footsteps. The numbers tell you he's on that path.
Kaapo Kakko, this is now the 4th time that a Finn has been selected 2nd overall in the draft. Patrick Laine, Alexander Barkov, as Sam just mentioned, and Kari Lehtinen going back to 2002. Brian Burke, your thoughts on this player?
Going to play right away. He's got a high skill level. He's a fierce guy. He's got an NHL body already at the age of 18. He's going to step in right away, and he will be effective. He will be effective right away.
Well, Elliot, most of the players that will come through here, we had a chance to meet in Buffalo at the Combine. We did not meet Kaapo Kakko because he was too busy celebrating a World Championship victory with several million of his closest friends in Finland. How was that celebration for you?
Yeah, it was so nice for me. Of course, it's in Finland like win the Stanley Cup if you win the championship game. So it was so nice.
Well, I'm sure they're all very, very proud of you this evening. One final question for you: are you ready to play in the NHL next year?
I hope so. It's my goal for next season.
Well, there are a lot of people betting yes. Kaapo, thank you for that, and congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Jeff, back to you.